Welcome to this guide on how to explore the business listing by Rochester Optical and Hearing Centre. If you're looking for trusted services in vision and hearing care, this business listing is your one-stop resource to find exactly what you need. So, what is the business listing? It's a carefully organised directory that highlights the range of services, clinics and providers connected to Rochester Optical and Hearing Centre. From eye exams and hearing tests to advanced solutions like glasses, contact lenses, and hearing aids, the listing puts everything within easy reach. Here's how to make the most of it. Step 1. Tap into the business listing. Once inside, you'll see categories clearly laid out so you can browse by vision services, hearing services, or combined care options. Step 2. Use the search feature. Whether you're looking for an optometrist, an audiologist, or a provider of assistive technology, the search tool helps you find the most relevant options quickly. Step 3. Check the detailed profiles. Each listing includes essential information like services offered, operating hours, contact details, and sometimes even patient reviews. This makes it easy to compare providers and choose the right fit for your needs. Step 4. Explore any special offers or packages. Rochester Optical and Hearing Centre often highlights exclusive deals on eyewear, hearing aids, or bundled care in the business listing, making it not only useful but also cost-effective. And here's a smart tip. Bookmark or save the listings that interest you most. This way you can revisit them later and make a well-informed decision without starting your search all over again. The business listing is regularly updated, ensuring that you always have access to the most current information about providers and services. By tapping here to see the business listing by Rochester Optical and Hearing Centre, you're opening the door to reliable, professional, and affordable vision and hearing care. Start exploring today and take the first step toward better sight, better sound, and better living.